Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing credentials and the code base. First, log in with Azure login so Terraform can use your Azure session. Then, confirm your subscription ID and set ARM** environment variables to authenticate a service principal. Next, create provider. TF to declare Azure with required version and add a simple main. TF skeleton. Once done, run Terraform init to download the Azure provider. This step configures the backend and validates plugins, which prevents surprises later when you apply changes. Now you define the middle layer, networking and the VM resource. Create the resource group, virtual network, and subnet first, because the VM needs a NIC attached to a specific subnet. Then add Azure network interface and Azure public IP so the VM can receive traffic. Include a network security group to open port 22 or 3389 as required. Use variables for VM size and image to keep the configuration reusable, and assign tags for environment and cost center. This makes scale. Finish by declaring the Azure virtual machine resource with disk and identity settings. Reference the NIC and public IP you created earlier. Once defined, run Terraform plan to preview changes. Make sure outputs show public IP and username, and then run Terraform apply auto-approve to provision. If something breaks, verify your Azure login and ARM variables, check provider version in provider. TF, and look for name collisions or quota issues. Often a simple Terraform destroy and retry after fixing variable values resolves transient state problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.